Hey folks, morning, Maverick Indicators here. All right, hope you're having a fantastic week of trading so far. So getting into a trade here, and we're actually trading a paper account, and I'll show you why in a second. So we have been testing this indicator down here, the Maverick radar. And man, it has been awesome. So let me get my chart settled here. And let me tell you why I'm in this trade first off. Let me set my take profit and my stop loss. We'll probably go to like a 3-to-1. Let's try that. Let's do 3-to-1 here. All right, so why are we in this trade? First things first, you're going to see a red background. Now, I have my background set to the bear bull background, okay? So this is the bear bull background. We show you how to set that in the members area with the Mav background, that free indicator that we released last weekend. So we have a red background. We got a sell signal here. We are below the Maverick guide. When price is below this blue line, we like to go short. When it's above the blue line, we like to go long, okay? Short when you're below it, long when you're above it. Tons of down confidence arrows, 1, 2, 3 down confidence arrows. And we have hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink, right? We know this. Pink is your strongest downside candle. The Maverick AI Pro colors your candles to the data, not to the direction of the candle, okay? Gray is reversal, red is your second strongest downside candle, and hot pink. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Maverick Multi-X, 5 traders, think of these as traders, T1 through T5, with a completely different style. Trader 1 through Trader 5, they're all red. They're all bearish. From the 1 minute to the 15 minute. And by the way, you can set these time frames for whatever you want. But imagine being in a room with 5 traders that all have a completely different style and they're all voting bearish. It's just, we stack probability. You got a sell signal. You got a red background. Your price is below the blue line, our Maverick guide. Hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. All 5 traders are voting bearish. And then the Maverick trender. When this line is pegged to the top, that shows massive strength and momentum. It can't go any further. We call these flat tops. That if it's red, then it's a strength and momentum to the downside. If it's green, it's strength and momentum to the upside. And it even gives you this big old label that tells you, hey, you're in a downtrend. But let's look at the Maverick radar. Why did I know to get into this trade? Well, look, from left to right, it's grading each part of our stacking probability checklist. Maverick AI Pro, you have an A grade to the downside. Maverick Multi-X, you have an A grade, you're getting an A to the downside. Okay, look at all the votes from all 5 traders. And I'll explain later what it's deciding on that. You have the Maverick guide, prices below the Maverick guide. Maverick trender is firing. You have a downtrend label and the Maverick trender is firing. Bear bull, the bear bull indicator is firing to the downside. And look, we're about to hit our profit target. And then this Q column is like some qualifiers we built into all of this, okay? So right now you have an A grade. Now there's only 2 grades. There's an A grade and a B grade. Boom, we just hit our profit target, $450, risked $150. That's a 3-to-1. And we got into this thing. We knew to get into this thing because the Maverick radar, I was actually on a gold chart. I was waiting for gold to fire. Look, gold's not doing anything. It's not getting a grade on. You either get an A grade or a B grade. We wanted the B grade because we wanted to see setups happen before they happen. No grade just means it's not meeting. You can see like you're only meeting like half of your criteria down here. But this has been awesome. I mean, this has been really, really awesome. You can set these tickers to whatever you want. So they actually do also work with stocks or crypto, or I was actually using it this past weekend to trade crypto. I loaded up 3 crypto symbols into this. But anyway, how cool is it that not only now you have the indicators and you're looking to stack the probability, but now you're going to have the Maverick radar that at a glance will show you from left to right and then give you a grade if you're stacking that probability, right? If you have all the criteria firing. So this is really, really powerful. We're almost done. We're going to be releasing it on TradingView at first. Users will have to be have the lifetime membership for the Maverick AI Pro bundle. But anybody that is a member of that before a certain date, I'm going to give it to them for free. Everyone else will have to pay, but if you're a member before a certain date, this will be free to you. This has just been a game changer to just quickly, at a glance, go like, yes, 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 yes. Okay, I got an A grade, and boom. And then at that point, you got to know your levels, right? Because you could have an A+ setup, but if you're coming into like a 4-hour resistance zone, you're going to have trouble breaking through it, or a daily resistance zone. This is just saying that it's meeting our criteria that we look for to get into a trade. So listen, if you want clear vision on your charts, would love to help you crush it. Again, not financial advice. Do your own research. Come check us out. It's free to look, right? MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.